have dreams. Well, maybe too many. You see, the problem is I just end up ignoring my alarms. So I could ask my Alexa, but I bet she's evil. Okay, not really, but I do have a creative idea. Let me show you. So the plan is that the alarm would walk away from me and make noise and have me get up to turn it off. Okay, so for the first version, I decided to try with a snapping mechanism by putting a few magnets around the border of the shell, so then I wouldn't have to glue down or do threads, and it would be easier to access the guts. But as you see, there was some misalignment issues, so it's one of the things that I have to fix for the further versions. All right, so for this one, I ended up changing from being to the side to the bottom because the feet would not fit in the breadboard and the Arduino and all those things. So as I'm showing here, you can see that on this one, it ended up not fitting quite right as I wanted for the mechanism that I was going for. All right, so this one, it's getting closer to what the final designs is kind of looking. I did want to keep everything snapping. I'm showing here that I had to cut the bottom off because I was having issues with the feet clearing and moving and things like that. So it was just a lot easier to cut the bottom off, and then so I ended up not using this one because I have to make it bigger for the magnets, and then also for the plate where I was gonna mount everything on, as you can see right there. I'm also showing that for the bottom, I put a hole for the hip. I'm gonna call it the hip. It's where the both servos that attach to the leg go. And like I said, I wanted to keep it everything snapping so I can remove it. All right, so for this last version, it's pretty much the right before the final improvement version that I've had. As you can see, there's the hip and two servos with the legs. I had to switch a lot of the servos because I was having issues. As you can see right there, the screw fell off from the base because he just kept touring the base up. So that's one of the modifications I had to change. I'm pointing there to the legs because I ended up making them shorter. They were just taped up there at the second. At the bottom, I added some grip tape to make sure it didn't slid. Right there, I'm showing that there's pins because, like I said, I wanted to be able to make it as easy as possible to take apart and put back together. For there, you can see the breadboard and the Arduino. Alright, so here I'm showing that that's where the hip's gonna go, and then I added another slot in the back for a stabilizer wheel that I made because I was having issues to get it up. But don't worry, I ended up getting that in the coating. Alright, so here is a little blooper reel of all the failures that I had trying to make this thing walk and stand up. There was so many things I had to change and go back and forth, and I couldn't include everything all at once. So yeah, here, enjoy the little sneak peek of all the failures I had. And here's that final version, and all that's left is to clean it up and paint it.
One eternity later.
What?